Hey there fellow aspirants, welcome back to my channel where I share all my secrets on how to crack the UPSC exam. Today I am going to give you a precise and comprehensive guide to help you preparing for this challenging journey. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Understanding the exam pattern. The UPSC exam consists of 3 stages: the prelims, mains and the interview. The prelims test your knowledge through MCQs, while mains evaluate your writing skills. The interview assesses your personality and suitability for a career in civil services. Step number 2. Creating a steady plan. Time management is critical here. Divide your syllabus into manageable chunks and set daily, weekly and monthly goals. Stick to a routine that suits your learning style and allocate sufficient time for revision. Step number 3. Gather the right resources to standard textbooks recommended by experts and refer to previous year question papers for better understanding. Make use of online platforms for mock tests and practice papers to enhance your speed and accuracy. Step number 4. Joining a study group or coaching institutes. Collaborating with like-minded individuals can provide valuable insights and keep you motivated throughout the journey. Coaching institutes can offer audience and expert advice that can boost your preparation. Step 5. Taking care of yourself. Remember, self-care is essential. Maintain a balanced diet, exercise regularly and get enough sleep. A healthy body and mind will help you stay focused and perform better during this intense preparation phase. And finally, step number 6. Staying motivated. Surround yourself with positive influences. Follow inspiring individuals on social media. Reward yourself for achieving milestones. Remember, success does not happen overnight. You stay consistent and believe in your abilities. So there you have it, my friends, a precise guide on how to crack UPSC. Remember, this journey requires dedication, hard work and perseverance, but with the right mindset and proper preparation, you can achieve your dreams of serving your nation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more valuable tips and tricks. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos on specific subjects and strategies. Until then, keep studying smart and keep shining bright. Good luck. So it's my video ended. I will see you in the next one. Till then, stay focused and stay happy. Bye-bye.